Hey everyone, it's Liv. I created a brand named Live Day by Day where I turn our struggles into art and remind you to take things slow. In today's video, I wanted to show you the process of creating Christmas embroidery designs from start to finish, and then I have a little surprise at the end, so be sure to watch to find out what it is.
Whoa, oh, oh. Da, 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 da.
My life has changed a lot. I have my own apartment. I live alone with my 3 cats. I cannot believe I got them all at the same time. To start out, just go ahead and I look through Pinterest, get a little inspiration, and hopefully it fuels something in my head. I like to think of something that I know someone's gonna see and be like, I need that.
Yeah, spend my time running around, keeping people.
So after I have my designs saved, what I like to do is send them over to my phone. Normally I would airdrop them, but for some reason I can only airdrop from my phone to my iPad. I can't airdrop from my iPad to my phone. I don't know why. I'll have to figure it out some other day. Go ahead and text it to myself. Pretty soon they will be on my phone. I saved my designs on my flash drive and then I plug it right into my machine. Now we can start the embroidering process. First thing I'm doing is I'm putting on my stabilizer to secure the design, and then I'm putting on the embroidery. Next thing I'm doing is cleaning up my design and cutting off any extra thread. Time to take some product photos. When you own a business, I don't think many people understand you are everything. You are the social media manager, you are the model, you're the photographer. No, you are everything. The list goes on and on. Before we wrap up this video, I have some exciting news. I'm doing a giveaway. I'm going to be giving away one of my Christmas crew necks. I just wanted to show my appreciation for you. And who doesn't like free stuff? Here is how you enter. Step 1. I'm going to try to insert little thingies here. I'm not that good, but I'm just going to pretend. So, subscribe to my channel and follow my Instagram. I do all of my daily announcements on Instagram. That is the best social media platform to reach me on. We'll also be messaging you on Instagram if you win. And if you don't have an Instagram, we'll figure something out. Step 2, like this video. Step 3, comment down below one thing you're grateful for this holiday season. Sometimes life can get very hectic. You can lose track of what really matters. I would just love to spread some cheer in the comments. Yeah, that's how you enter. So I'll list them here one more time. Pretty simple. The giveaway will be ending on December 8th. And this is just my little way of saying thank you for your support. It means the absolute world to me. I'm so excited to send this cozy crew neck to one lucky winner. So be sure to enter. This one is so cozy. I feel like it just has vintagey vibes. I love simple things, little trees. Imagine it with a cute turtleneck underneath. It is so cute. This is so fun. So I hope you guys have a beautiful holiday season. I'm gonna get to work. And don't forget to live day by day.